Hello, Jim Johnson here with Micro Measurements. I'm going to talk ever so briefly about proper tools for strain gauge installation. We're all probably pretty much aware with the adhesives and the surface prep chemicals and the tape and things of that nature, but the actual tools of the trade, it's really important to have high quality tools. For example, I like to have a pair of dental picks. Dental picks are very handy for helping route very fine wires. The heel can be used for burnishing alignment marks on test specimens. Scalpels are very handy. And also high-grade diagonal cutters and pliers, again for helping route cables and wires. Surgical shears are very important for cutting tape, cutting cable, finer wires and things of that nature. Blunt tip tweezers for handling strain gauges so that they won't damage the gauge. You don't want to use low cost or pointed tipped tweezers because they can wreak havoc on the thin strain gauge backing. A nice stainless steel scale for making measurements when doing layout lines. And a 4H pencil, which is a wonderful tool for burnishing alignment marks on most metals, especially aluminum. It's just hard enough to create a burnish mark without putting a stress riser in the material. We offer the ATS2, which is a complete kit of these tools, or they can be purchased individually depending upon your requirements. But again, invest in high quality tools, dedicate them just for strain gauge installation use. Don't let your colleagues get a hold of them for working on printed circuit boards or rewiring their car. So trust the experts at Micro Measurements. We can offer you all of these tools, again, individually or in a kit, and even glass plates so that you have a nice clean work surface for prepping your strain gauge prior to installation. So give us a call, 919-365-3800. Thanks.